Hello guys, LifeHackster here. Today is a quick video and we're going to check out an accessory for your Blink mini cameras, the pan and tilt mount. And I already installed my Blink mini camera. I guess this is more for Blink mini users if you want more versatility and pan and tilt feature for your existing indoor mini cameras. I'm not recommending this, however, if you don't have the Blink mini and you're just looking for a camera that can pan and tilt. There are a lot more way better and cheaper brands that are being sold that are pan and tilt from the get-go and not needing an add-on accessory. Actually, come to think of it, even if you are a Blink mini user, you might just want to buy another Blink mini camera instead of this pan and tilt mount because they are just the same price. And actually, at the time of making this video, you can get two Blink minis for 30 bucks. Now, I have reservations for the Blink mini camera and the Blink system overall, and I have reviewed this a while back, which I will link down below if you haven't seen it yet. There are better options out there, but we're not talking about the Blink mini or the Blink brand in this video, and we'll just focus on this pan and tilt mount. This is the Blink pan tilt mount, and you will get 360-degree room coverage. Inside the box, we have the mount itself and has some weight to it. This is where you are going to plug in your mini camera, and this is where you are mounting it. And on the back is where you're going to plug in the power adapter and cable from your mini. On the bottom, we have a ⅛ screw mount. And basically that's it. So this is my Blink mini camera here, and I'll just pull it out from its stand. Push it in onto the mount and plug it in. Time to set this up. Plug in the Blink mini's power supply to the back of the mount. Open up the Blink app. Click the plus sign to add. Nope, doesn't need setup. It automatically got connected, and that's nice. Now it's doing its calibration dance, and you will know that it is now connected. Let's check it out. When you click on the live view, you will now have the pan and tilt controls. Go to the right, pan to the left, all the way, and to the right, all the way, (360 degrees). Let's go tilt up and tilt down. Controls are pretty responsive. If you click more, you will have a 360-degree pan option, and the camera will pan all the way to the right and all the way to the left automatically, and go back in the middle. If you go to the device settings, there will be pan and tilt settings, but the only option is if you want to calibrate the mount. No motion tracking, no patrol mode, or even you cannot save preset positions. Back to the pan tilt controls, and there's this home button, which when pushed just goes back to the factory set home position, and you cannot change this. I wish it can be changed. Alright, so we are just going to test how loud the motor is, so I'm just gonna calibrate it. You could barely hear it. Well, that's it for this mount accessory. It works as intended. I think though what Blink should have done is they could have made a separate pan and tilt model instead of just an accessory mount, or at least give this more features like preset positions, and motion tracking will be nice. They're also selling this complete with a mini camera for 60 bucks. And I can tell you there are way better options and even in better 2K quality pan and tilt cameras that have all the features that I stated and cheaper to boot. Or if you're already a Blink user and for the same price, you can get another Blink mini or just monitor Amazon for the sales because you can even get two Blink mini cameras for the price of this mount. Well, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.